machine TPM4000G is ready for shipping. This machine, also called QT4, it is a heavy-duty design. Even though it's an entry-level blow machine, but TPM make this machine heavy-duty, robust, to make sure the machine has a long service life. Below are some key features. Number 1, the vibration table is adapting dynamic and static vibration table. So during vibration, the static not vibrate, but the dynamic part vibrate. This is to make sure all corners receive same vibration force, make sure the same strength, followed by concrete products. Number 2, the press head. The press head is strengthened by welding steel plates. Number 3, the demolding system. An independent demolding being synchronized with the tier tools. Okay? Connecting with demolding shops. So during the machine working, the bottom mold is demolded by the demolding beam, which is driven by 2 hydraulic cylinders, and the demolding beam will be synchronized by digital. Make sure the demolding fast and smooth. Number 4, guide columns. We are using solid, absolutely solid guide columns to make sure the long service life. Then here is the swing arm design beetle cowl. Compared with hydraulic-driven feeder cowl, the swing arm design will be more smoothly and faster. It guarantees the feeder cowl feel the mold smooth and evenly. So this machine is a very compact design, heavy duty, fully automatic, controlled by Siemens PLC. It's very good for the entry-level beginners. This is the weight block stacker. This is the lifting frame, which is welded by steel tubes. The weight block conveyors. Here's the control panel, fully automatic Siemens PLC control. A hydraulic system, powered by a 15 kW hydraulic motor, provide strong vibration and strong hydraulic force to the machine. Directional valve and proportional valve. We are using Yukin hydraulic valves, which is an international brand, reliable and durable. So compared with the other manufacturers, our machines are much more are heavy duty, well designed, and it is designed for long service lives, not for 1 year or 2 years. It's for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Thank you for watching.